Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making yourself discoverable. Sync contacts and enable suggestions so you'll appear in the right feeds. Once done, pick 1-2 people to prioritize and send a short, specific opener. Reference a shared moment or mutual friend. Make sure to add a meaningful story or a custom Bitmoji that shows personality. This builds context instantly. You're not broadcasting, you're signaling a connection, so keep messages light, timely, and clearly aimed at starting a conversation rather than closing it. You move into consistent, low-pressure contact by sending varied snaps, a short voice note, a candid photo, or a quick video that shows what you're doing. Once the other person responds, mirror their tone and pacing to create comfort. Matching energy helps rapport. Make sure to respond within 12-48 hours so momentum doesn't die. Introduce a small shared ritual, like a weekly themed snap, to give the friendship predictable touch points and reasons to check in without heavy planning or expectation. You deepen the connection by transitioning to longer chats or a voice call when responses become frequent and comfortable. This is how you move from surface to close. Once trust exists, suggest a casual meetup or create a collaborative story snap to share an experience. If engagement suddenly drops, pause and avoid chasing. Reframe with a simple check-in or ask directly if everything's okay. You'll either reset expectations or learn boundaries, both valuable for maintaining healthy, close friendships.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.